Hi guys! Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Am I an animator or an artist? If you choose artist, click the top. But if you choose animator, wait, I think I misspelled it. Oh, sorry. If you want me to be an, let's redo it. Okay, redo. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, now click the up button. Click the up button, the upper button. If you want me become an animator like the Toodles animation that I just made. If you didn't watch it, please watch it so you can pick what you want in the lower poll. If you want me to be an artist, okay? Okay, bye guys. But thank you so much for 772 subscribers. Bye. And sorry guys, I can't upload today, but I can upload later. Okay, so goodbye guys. Bye. Have a nice day.